Hello there. So today is December the 21st. Northern Hemisphere, winter solstice. Southern Hemisphere, summer solstice. So I got this box in a few days ago and I thought, okay, I hope this is, tied to the season. I'm just going to wait and save it as a little surprise for the first day of the Yule season. So this morning I opened up the top to see if it was topical, and it is. So I quick ran and grabbed my Florida water and gave my hands a quick little cleanse. And here we go. Let's see what we got. Rest your sweet soul. Now there's a message. And we've got the details in here at the back. And they're calling it the Winter Ritual Box. So let's see what we have. Oh, this is quite large. So when I first glanced, I thought this was a tree ornament, which I suppose you could use it for that. Let's put this to the side so we don't have any spoilers. We'll leave this in here. But this is, look, this is big. That's big. So I am not sure exactly where this is going to live for the immediate future. It's a yin-yang handmade decorative hanging. Spot clean only. Okay, I will. Let me just see what it says on the back of the card here. You can admire it. No, this card does not give you the details. All right, so that's our first thing. I may hang it in a window. I do love the colors. I love this. I'm not sure how well it's showing up on camera, but it's kind of fading, the darker purple to a lighter, and then this. It's really nice. It's really pretty. And then this tassel is silver. It's kind of a metallic-y feel. It's not a really soft thread, but this is like a yarn here. Lovely. With a canvas back. Let's see if it says where it was made. India. That's not focusing, but India is what it says. Okay, that's our first thing. Very pretty. Heavy. It says chakra root mantra. May the darkness be revealed so I can heal. And it is a black obsidian pyramid. Lovely box. Psychic protection. Bye-bye bad vibes. Clearing and cleansing. All right, let's see. Ooh, that is solid. Look how rich and dark that is. That's quite nice. So I was thinking about doing some let it go kind of ancestral work in this season. Letting go of, how do I phrase this exactly? Talking my way through it. Letting go of the things that I have maybe inherited from my ancestors that don't really serve me, and, some forgiveness to them for passing it on. We all do the best we can with what we have at the time we're there. So yeah, I think this might be useful for that work. All right, put that to the side. Ooh, this is in a very cute little bag. It says Kindred Row. I don't know what that means. Like maybe that's a company name. I guess it is. Okay, it's a ring, and it looks like, I'm not sure. I thought it looked adjustable. I'm going to have to go off camera to fiddle with this little bag. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, it's plastic in plastic. In plastic. Just two plastic layers. All right, let's get that away from the microphone. Eesh. Wow, okay. Let's get the scissors then. All right, I don't know if you could see this, but it's an eye. And I don't know that it's the full-on, sort of Greek, Turkish evil eye one, but let's see how big this, oh, it is adjustable. I was right. Okay, and it's large. It is large. Well, I have small hands. I don't know. Okay. There we go. There's a focus. You get an idea of what that's like. And then here we go. So I am going to guess that at the price point of this box. You know, this is some kind of a metal alloy. Not sure how well it'll hold up with my hand. I have pretty sensitive skin, so we'll put that to the side and we'll see how that wears. It'll be an experiment. Okay, what's next? It looks like a fig bar treat, but of course that's not what this is. It's got to be a rock. It's a rock, y'all. It's got a lot of lovely, oh, this is funny. I was going to say inclusions. I'm not sure that that's the right word, but there's a lot going on here. You know, this would be a good one to just sort of meditate on, just to look at it. It's got a nice weight. It feels pretty good. All right, let's see if it says what it is somewhere in the box. Let's see. I guess we'll just sort of put everything here. There we go. All right, the next thing coming out of here is, eeks. All right, it's another rope incense. I say another because it was funny. I was just putting away the box that I got. It was a red one, which I really liked. So this one is sandalwood, holy basil, and cardamom. That sounds promising. And the box looks the same as the red box of this incense that I got in a previous Harvest Provisions box. So I'm guessing it's the same company. And I really, really did like that other one. It was, you know, it's a shorter incense, so the burn time is not as long. And where is it? There it is. The burn time is not as long. And I'm a little sensitive to smoke. I have asthma and allergies, so I appreciate the smaller. Nice. It's so pretty. It's really pretty. Look, it looks good with that wall hanging. And it comes with this holder. Let's see. So I guess you have to put the small end in like that. Yeah, it doesn't come all the way through. Interesting. That looks semi not safe. So I'm going to say I have to put that on another safe dish. And the burn time, yeah, this is what it is. The burn time is 30 minutes. So that is also lovely. And you got to appreciate this box. Like when this is done, this is going to make a great box for one of my mini decks that doesn't have a box. All right, what is this? Magic tea, Palo Azul. And it's tea bags, it's not loose. It says it's a fluorescent tea. Palo Azul means blue stick. It gets its name because the bark of the plant is used to brew an incredible blue fluorescent tea. Wow, I do not know anything about this. Palo Azul's fluorescence is caused by polyphenols with many beneficial properties, so this tea has been used traditionally for over 500 years. Wow. Okay. So Drink Magic. I guess I may go take a look at Drink Magic and find out more about this company and what they've got on offer. That makes me thirsty, so I'm going to have some of my tea. And my tea today is a Scottish breakfast blend, which is smoked black tea. Because it does sort of feel like winter to me where I am right now. So that felt like a good tea to have right now. All right, and here is the last thing in the box. And let's see what it is. Wrapped in paper. Yay, paper. Oh, okay, awesome. So I already have one of these. And I was just burning a little cone incense, a winter incense cone on this. And the other one that I have, it's a different wood. So now I've got it in 2 different wood tones. I may give this one away, give it as a gift. Yep, and they give you a little instructions about how to do this safely. Put a little layer of salt or sand or something, and then put your charcoal disc if you're going to do it that way. But I like to use cone incense on this. So, yeah, that's very nice. All right, I feel like this is a nice little box. Something's probably going to be re-gifted, the ring most likely. And maybe this, since I already have one. But I'm very, very much looking forward to working with this this pyramid. I like this box it came in. Let me save the box and store it with this when I'm not using it. And I'm very happy about the Sacred Smoke rope incense in this new little holder. I don't have a holder like that. Yeah, it smells good. I'm smelling it. And this unknown crystal, if you know what it is, please drop it in the comments. Let me know. I'll have to do some research on that. All right, if you enjoyed it, if you'd like more, you want to subscribe for sure. And if you just enjoyed watching this video, boy, I'd really appreciate a like. If you saw anything in here that you think is pretty cool, a comment's good. And yeah, especially if you know what this is. Happy solstice.